Next up, I would like to customize this multi-row section. This section is made with 3 rows. I will select the first row, and then I will add one of my product image here. We also have an option to upload a video here. So if you want to demonstrate your product, this could be the perfect section for you. For now, I will use an image for this section. Next, for text content, I will copy-paste it from ChatGPT. And I also don't want this button label here, so I will simply delete it. And then I will repeat the same steps with the second row. I will add an image here, and then I will add my product benefits in the heading, and then explain it a little bit in the description section. One thing you'll notice is that the product images are not fully visible here. To resolve this, click on the multi-row option on the left. Next, on the right settings, choose the image height option to adapt to the image. And now the images will be fully visible. And just like this, the multi-row section is also complete. Next, I will add a video section on this page, and then I will reposition it right below the main product section. This is perfect to showcase your product. People understand more with visuals, so try to add more visuals in your page. I will use this section to demonstrate my product, so I will add a heading here. Next, I will simply paste my YouTube video link here, which will add the video in this page. Of course, we also have an option to add a nice cover image here. For now, I will add this product image as my cover image, but make sure to use something that fits with your video ratio. That way it will look much better. Alright, this section is also complete. Another section that I recommend adding here is the product reviews and testimonials. Reviews are the key to getting high conversion. No matter how well designed your store is, if there is not enough social proof, nobody will buy your product. To add reviews, click on this Add Section option and then search for Testimonial section. This will show you all the relevant sections that you can use. This is also similar to other sections. You only need to click on it and then make some changes from the right settings. This section contains a lot of options. For example, you can add product review, customer name, customer image, product image or video, and much more. Of course, I am making this store for tutorials, so I don't have any reviews at this moment, but make sure to find some real and honest customer reviews for your product and add them on your product page. Shrine Theme also offers different review templates. If you go to Add section and search for reviews, you'll see this Trustpilot review section. This is similar to the normal review section, but it is used to show Trustpilot reviews. Next, I also recommend adding a comparison table, which basically shows a little comparison between your product and some alternative solution. For that purpose, we can use this comparison table section. I have already made a comparison table using those prompts, and now I only need to add these details on my store. So, I will simply copy and paste these details on my store. There are many other settings that you can play around with. For example, you can show up to 4 competitors in this section. You can change the name for each competitor. You can even change the comparison table style if you want to. And there are many other settings that you should play around with. Of course, it's not possible to cover every setting in one video. Otherwise, the video will be 2 hours long. But if you are interested in a detailed tutorial, you can simply comment the word tutorial in the comments. And if enough people will show interest in the topic, I might make an in-depth tutorial on Shrine theme customization. I recommend that you simply select every section from this list and then play around with the settings. That will give you a better understanding of this theme. Some of these sections will not be applied with every product. For example, this comparison image section will work great with fitness or beauty products, but for this coffee maker, this won't be much useful. Similarly, we have this product bundles section. If you want to offer some upsells or want to add some extra products, this option can be helpful, but we only have one product, so this won't be helpful for this store. We also have this horizontal ticker. This is a cool section which can be used for multiple purposes. We can use it for showing our latest offers, our product features, and much more. Next, another recommended section is this Facebook review section. This is specially made for showing Facebook reviews. If you are running Facebook ads and have some reviews, you can show them here. You can add as many sections as you want to, but make sure to preview them in the mobile view and check if they are perfectly placed or not. And once you are done with your product page design, simply hit this Save button to save all your changes.